LG refrigerator model LT18S2100W error codes. This refrigerator was designed with your garage in mind, so you don't have to worry about the changes in temperature outside. This versatile garage-ready refrigerator offers 17.5 cubic feet of storage, which is among the largest capacity in refrigerators under 65, and allows you to set it up anywhere in your home. If you're looking for freshness, you're sure to appreciate LG's multi-air flow system, which helps keep food fresher and longer. Error codes. Code FDS. Problem: freezer defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RDS. Problem: refrigerator defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RHS. Problem: humidity sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RIS. Problem: ice maker sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RSS. Problem: pantry sensor. Fix: the pantry is the deli drawer. Short in sensor or wiring problem. Code RRT. Problem: room temperature sensor. Fix: short in sensor or wiring problem. Code IT. Problem: system error inside ice maker. Fix: self-test ice maker routine. Code RGF. Problem: flow meter error code. Fix: water pressure, flow of water. Code FDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F in defrost. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code RDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code IF. Problem: the fan for the ice compartment failed. Fix: icing fan blocked, ice fan motor is defective, wiring in the circuit is defective, or the control board has failed. Code IRFF. Problem: evaporator fan failed. Fix: fan motor, control board or wiring harness. Code IRCF. Problem: condenser fan motor is defective. Fix: condenser fan motor, wiring or the control board. Code IRCO. Problem: communication error. Fix: communication error between main board and display board.